Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I created this beautiful makeup look. So if you like it as much as I do, make sure you stick with me and I'll show you how I did it. And if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video, and make sure you like this video as well. So I'm starting off by applying primer all over my face and to my T-zone. I've already moisturized my face during my skincare routine. If you guys would like to know how I do that, let me know down in the comment section. Next, I went in with a foundation that matches my skin tone exactly, and then I applied 2 different shades of concealer. And I did this just to create the perfect gradient so that there's no sharp lines left at the end. I say this in all my videos, but I'm just going to say this again because it's really important. Remember that blending is everything, so make sure you blend in your makeup really well so that you get the best effect at the end. A really important tip is that when you're blending in your concealer under your eyes, make sure you look up, because some people have like deep lines. I personally have deep lines under my eyes, so make sure you look up while you're blending in so you can blend in properly. So you set all your liquid products with your powdered product when you are done applying all your liquids. So I'm not going to use liquid contour or blush in this video. A lot of the time when I'm doing makeup and I'm trying to be quick, I just do powdered contour. So in this video, I'm just going to set the concealer, and then I'm applying contour right now, and I'm using powdered contour. It still gives you the perfect effect, and it's really good when you're trying to be quick. It doesn't take time, and it still gives you a really nice look. So next I'm going in with a powdered blush, and I'm just applying those to the right on top of my cheekbones, followed by powdered contour down the sides of my nose, starting from the tip of my eyebrows. And I really love contouring my nose because it can give you really different effects depending on the technique you decide to use. I'm going to start drawing my brows by using a spoolie to brush them out and then tracing the outlines. Brows, for me, I know brows can be really difficult for a lot of people, but for me, brows are almost like my favorite part of doing makeup because it tends to be really quick for me. I just follow the outline. I don't like creating a whole different brow shape for myself. I just follow my natural brow outline, and then I just lightly fill that in with my brow pencil. So I'm doing that on both sides. After drawing, I'm just going in with a light shade of concealer to highlight my brow bone, and I'm just using it to clean up my brow a little bit. You're not supposed to change the whole shape of your brow with concealer. That's when it gets really difficult to do one brow top, less of making the two of them similar, and I'm doing that on both sides. If you notice, I'm stopping short of the two ends, both in front and behind, because I'm going to use a darker shade of concealer to clean that up, just so that when I'm blending everything in, it doesn't look like really different. If you notice, it continues from where the nose contour starts. So if you use a really light shade around that area, it will be difficult for you to blend and it won't look natural at the end of the day. So like I said, the tips and the very start, I'm going to clean up with a darker shade of concealer and just blend that in. Next, I'm blending in the concealer with a beauty blender. You could also use a brush. Next, I apply eyeshadow, and I'm just going to use a fluffy brush and a dark shade of orange, and I'm using circular motions just to build up the coverage. I'm not going to do too much for this because it's supposed to be a really simple eyeshadow look. Then I'm going in with a lighter shade of orange in the inner corner just to give it a really nice gradient and create a pretty reddish sunset look. Then I'm blending in the edges with yellow just to make sure there are no harsh lines or sharp edges. Next, I'm applying mascara to my lashes. I have natural, long but really scattered lashes, so I just use the mascara to put those in order, and then I'm going over my lower lash line with eyeliner. So for this particular look, I'm using a really flat and angled brush to create this look. It's, if you're going to use a brush for your liner, then it's either use that or the actual liner brush that comes with your brush set. So before now, I prepped my lips with Vaseline. So I just applied Vaseline to my lips to make sure they're not chapped and dry, and then I'm lining them with a brown Davis pencil. I don't usually like, I'm not such a big fan of overlining, so I'm just lining right at the tips. Then I apply lipstick and a little bit of lip gloss. In creating glossy lips, I really don't like packing a whole lot of lip gloss, so if you notice, I'm just dabbing a little bit just to give it that extra shine. Now all that's left are the finishing touches, so I'm just brushing off the extra setting powder with a light shade of pressed powder. And I'm doing this everywhere I set my face with setting powder, so under my eyes, my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, my chin, and right below my cheekbones. Next is a part I know a lot of people love, which is application of highlighter. And as fun as you may find this, please don't get carried away and make it all messy with a whole lot of the product. Just use a little bit and blend it in properly. After that, I'm just reapplying my blush, because with all the layers, sometimes some part of the makeup just doesn't show all that well anymore. And then I'm applying that right to my nose, and we are done. So there you have it. This makeup look was really simple and quick, but it turned out absolutely beautiful. Now, if you want to learn how to carve your brows at home by yourself, make sure you click on this video and I will show you how to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.